What if you want to create a car in front of you? Well, surely a car is also an object, but it's a fairly complex one. It must have coordinates, probably an ID, a type, color, counter for damage when it should blow up, and so on. And, creating it manually could be tedious. But again, let's get back to the basics and think what a computer game is. It's just a program. Program with source code. In the source code, you usually have a bunch of functions that developers themselves use when working on the game. And if we're lucky, there can be a create car function. It would be so ideal, it would simplify things so much, wouldn't it? Well, we can Google for GTA San Andreas function addresses, and the second link looks very promising. It's the same GTA mods wiki, but a different page called function memory addresses. And if you look at the contents, there's the vehicle content. And if we go to it, the very first function, very conveniently, C vehicle, create car. So we now have the address for the function. The only thing we need to figure out is how we can call this function. Again, if you Google, probably the very first thing that you'll come across is something called DLL injection. In a nutshell, DLL stands for Dynamic Link Library, so it's just a library. So the plan is, we pretend to be a good library, doing something useful, we come knocking on the process's door, we get it to invite us in, thinking it will benefit somehow, and then once we're inside, we'll turn bad and do something malicious. Kind of reminds you of something, doesn't it? So how do you perform the DLL injection? We know we need it, we have the memory address, we'll only need to inject it.